over 10 years of struggles and challenges, integrating scientific research, production, and service. DGB has become a leading radio management equipment manufacturer, system solution vendor, and comprehensive service provider. It has formed multiple product categories, such as monitoring and direction finding, signal analysis unified platform, comprehensive integration, and counter-drone solutions. Products and services are available in 31 provinces across the country. We have an experienced management team and a professional technical R&D. We have built a talent team of more than 200 people. Among them, there are more than 120 people in the technical R&D team. Most of them are doctors and masters. And well-known experts are employed as consultants, supporting multiple industries such as government, national defense, education, public security, maritime affairs, aviation, broadcast and television, and railways. Safeguarding the security of electromagnetic space. Exploration has no end. Progress never stops. Standing at a new starting point. Stepping into a new journey. Contribute wisdom and strength to safeguarding national electromagnetic space security.